To deposit cash into your checking account at a drive-up ATM at Chase Bank without leaving your vehicle. Start by locating the nearest deposit-enabled drive-up ATM using the Chase website or mobile app, as not all ATMs accept deposits. Once you've found a suitable ATM, carefully drive up to it, being mindful of your surroundings to avoid any accidents or damage to your car or the ATM. Insert your ATM card into the slot or tap on the contactless sign to initiate the transaction. The ATM will prompt you to enter your 4-digit PIN code. After entering your code, you'll be presented with the main menu, where you'll select the Deposit option. Choose Cash as the type of deposit you wish to make. Before proceeding, ensure you've removed any objects from your bills and flattened them. Once you've prepared your cash, tap Continue and insert your bills into the ATM, which can accept up to 100 bills. The ATM will then count your cash and verify the authenticity of the bills. After a few moments, it will display the total amount deposited. Review your deposit to ensure its accuracy. Then confirm by tapping Deposit again. You'll be asked how you'd like to receive your receipt, via email, text message, or a printed copy. Select your preferred method, and the ATM will process your deposit. Finally, take your receipt and you're done. This straightforward process allows you to deposit cash into your checking account from the convenience of your vehicle at a Chase Bank drive-up ATM.